Question number 8, paper 1. How does a smart city in India address the issues of urban poverty and distributive justice? इसमें दो चीजें बहुत खास हैं, poverty and distributive justice. ये दोनों अलग नहीं है, but you have to treat them separately because the question demands this. And इसको introduce करने के लिए you can possibly have a factual introduction like smart city 2015 से आती है and 100 cities के cover करने का objective रखा. You can start from there. Also you can have a conceptual basis. ये होती क्या चीज़ है, what is the smart city, ICT कैसे इसको यूज़ करते हैं and how they are going to be making our infrastructure effective. Current relevance से कर सकते हैं, नीति आयोग की रिपोर्ट से कर सकते हैं start. But then I suppose the key words here, how does, I mean, I think that is one keyword that you have to talk about the process part of it. And then in case of addressing urban poverty, you can talk about government's programs, government schemes, slum improvement, PPP you can have, and how you have got NULM working in this direction, and then how the BRTS is basically working about mobility of the people, and then they can really make your answer effective, Wi-Fi and whatnot. Nevertheless, distributive justice एक बड़ा area इसका होता है और distributive justice के लिए you can take a very big approach where you can talk about housing के लिए, livelihood के लिए, services के लिए, mobility, governance, सब के लिए. You can possibly have some special effect done for the distributive justice in this. And then, but remember one thing, while this question is coming in paper 1, there has to be some flavoring and then tempering from पेपर 2 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डायमेंशंस में डाल सकते हो. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव जस्टिस के लिए आप डीपीएसपी से ले सकते हैं कुछ आर्टिकल. यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव यूएलबीज को लेकर आ सकते हैं, इसमें कुछ आर्टिकल्स शेड्यूल डाल सकते हैं, 74th अमेंडमेंट का डायमेंशन डाल सकते हैं, एंड दैट विल मेक योर आंसर लुक वेरी स्पेशल. एंड कंक्लूडिंग पॉइंट पे आप फिलोसफिकल एंगल, महात्मा गांधी का एंगल लेकर के we have a lot of migration happening from rural areas. For rural development, urbans have to be very vibrant. That angle you can take. Smart city missions के बारे में ले सकते हैं. And then you can possibly connect it with India at 2047 and SDG 11 से भी आप काफी अच्छी तरह से connect कर सकते हैं. And you can make a beautiful rounding of this answer. All the best.